Hello, hope you are doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use Convertri to build sales funnel. With Convertri, you can get started for completely free, and it is highly rated for beginners, as not only is its user face easy to understand, but it is quite straightforward. All you'll need to do is go onto convertri.com. Once on convertri.com, you could tap on Get Your Free Trial. And by the way, I'll be leaving a link in the description that you can use to get started. So first, let's tap on Login in the top right hand corner. Once I've tapped on Login, or once you have used my link to sign up, you will be redirected to this page. And this is your dashboard. So the first thing you're going to do, you're going to choose your domain name, as Convertri provides you with a free domain name. So let me type in the domain that I would like to get. So I like to get Simple Answers. So let me type in Simple Answers 1. Then I'll tap on Create My Domain. Once you have tapped on Create My Domain, you will be redirected to this page. And all you have to do is tap on Begin. Once you have tapped on Begin, you can simply close out of this. So let me close out of this real quick. Let me simply tap on that to close out of it. Once you have closed out of it, you will see from the left hand menu option, you can see Funnel Designer. Then you will see Funnels, Videos, Images, and Memberships. So the first thing you're going to do is tap on Create New. So let's tap on Create New right here. Once you have tapped on Create New, you can scroll down, and if you would like to use one of these templates, you can. As for example, if you would like to use one of their lead gen template, all you have to do is simply tap on Preview. So let's tap on Preview, and you can see how it looks. So you can see right here, you have the opt-in page, thank you page, and you have the sales page right there. And if you want to use one of their funnels to, for example, for a book, all you'll need to do again is tap on Preview, and you can see right here you have the content page, then the sales page. And if you would like to use it for anything else, for example for a webinar, or you want to use it for a subscription or for a product launch, all you'll need to do again is tap on Preview. Then you can see how the layout works right here. You can see the content page, and everything leads to the webinar right there, as you can see right there. But for this example, we'll be creating a funnel from scratch. So we are going to tap on Create a Funnel from Scratch in the top right hand corner. Then I'm going to add my funnel name. Then you'll tap on Select Domain, and I'll add the domain name that we had created earlier. Then we'll tap on Begin. Once you have tapped on Begin, all you'll need to do now is simply go onto this page right here. Let me close out of this real quick. Once on this page, you are going to tap on Create a Page. So we'll tap on Create a Page at the bottom right here. Then you are going to be redirected to this page. And all you have to do now is simply scroll down. Then you will see the option All Page Types. You are going to tap right there. And then you can start off. If you would like to add your content page first, you could do that. So the first page that I'm going to be using is a content page. So we'll tap on Content Page right here. Then you can see the different content page templates, as you can see right here. So let's say I would like to use this one. I'll tap on Select. Then you'll simply name it. I'll name it the first page. So I'll put it first. Then tap on OK. Then you can see it right here. So now it is time to edit the page. So we are going to tap on Edit Page. After you have tapped on Edit Page, you will be redirected to this page on which you can make some changes. So you can see how the basic layout looks right here. And again, you can add your logo at the top right here, and you can add any text you want. So you can scroll down and you can add different text, and you can add different videos if you want. You can see how it looks at the moment. And by going over to the left hand menu option, you can see the different elements that you can add. So you can add text if you want, you can add image, and you can add videos or photos if you would like to add them to your funnel. And if you would also like to add a countdown timer, you can also do that. And if you would like access to more elements, all you'll need to do is tap on more elements right there to add even more elements. Once you're finished, all you'll need to do is scroll down and you can preview how your content page looks. After creating your content page, you're going to go over to the top left-hand menu option right there, and you're going to tap on page. And after tapping on page from there, again, if you would like to change anything, you can do that. All you have to do, if you would like to add a fire icon, you can do that. If you would like to add headers and footers, you can do that right there by simply toggling it on. Then we will tap on done. And after you're finished, you're going to tap on save in the top right hand corner. Once it has been saved, we are going to close out of it by tapping on the X in the top right hand corner. Then once back on this page, we are going to add a new page. So we'll tap on new page in the top right hand corner again. As remember that is our first page. So we will need to add a second page for our funnel. So we are going to tap on all page types again. Then after you have done that, if you would like to add a third page, a second page before the checkout page, better yet, you can do that. Or if you would like to add the checkout page right behind that, you can tap on checkout page. Then after you have tapped on checkout page, you can scroll down and you will see the different options right here. So let's say I want to add this one as the checkout page. I'll tap on select. Then I'm going to simply type in checkout. Then I'll tap on OK. Then once you have tapped on OK, all you'll need to do now on it. So once you have done that, you will be redirected to this page and you can see checkout in the top left hand corner, and you'll be able to edit your checkout page. So again, you can add any elements from the left hand menu option. So if you'd like to add a text or anything, you can do that. And anything that you'd like to remove, you can also do that by simply tapping on it. It is quite straightforward to edit, as you can see all of the options at the top right here and from the left hand menu option. If you would like to add a product, all you'll need to do is tap on products right there. You could enter your product name. Then from there you could enter the URL. If you would like to redirect them to a URL, you can do that right there. And then you can scroll down and again you can set up the checkout by simply tapping on checkout right there, and you can see how it would look, and then you can see the billing and address. Then you'll simply tap on save and close. Once everything is to your liking, you'll tap on save and close. Then you'll tap on save in the top right hand corner. What you'll need to do now is simply tap on the pages. So you'll tap on each page and you're going to go over to the top right hand corner, and all you'll need to do is tap on publish for the page to go live. So you can tap on publish right here, or if you would like to preview it before, you could tap on preview from the top right hand corner, and you can see this would be my first page right here, the content page. And then you can tap on close preview. Then you will tap on publish right here. And again, after tapping on publish, you can simply tap right here. So let's tap on publish real quick. And now it will have gone live, as you can see right there. And if I wanted to view the page, I'll simply tap on view page right here. And you can see the free URL that I told you earlier that they provide. And to make our second page go live, we'll simply go back, or you could change it in the top right here. I simply tap in right here. Let's go back to funnel. So we'll go back to the funnel right there. And then we can make the checkout page go live by simply tapping on the checkout page. And you would do the same thing by tapping on publish in the top right hand corner. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. If you didn't and there's anything that you don't understand that you would like me to explain more, please let me know in the comment section, and thank you for watching.